including the decomposition and recycling process. Here we see a leaf being recycled by organisms. These include fungal organisms, the hyphae penetrating the foliage, and the bacteria surrounding the fungi. They work together. The bacteria convert these nutrients into usable forms that other life can consume and transport it. The organisms in the soil include fungi, the spores of fungi, or the reproductive system, actinomycetes, smaller than fungi that do other jobs, ultimately, these organisms work together to form humus, which is the nutrient media that plants depend on to grow. It's construction materials. Here we see bacteria and other organisms in water, decomposing and recycling plant material, leaves, bits of twigs, for use by other life. This is a picture of soil that has been formed from mineral activity with no microorganisms. It's dense and compact. As the organisms function and process and recycle this material, it creates voids, creating the soil into a spongy material that holds water and nutrients. The organisms in inoculate, organisms that run this process include mycorrhiza, a beneficial fungus that invades plant roots. Here we see bacteria fixing and moving phosphate, a critically needed nutrient and a pollutant, into the node. Humans benefit as the pollution is removed from the water. This process occurs through root hairs and rootlets that we see growing here. As they expand, they consume nutrients, removing it from the water and converting into plant mass. This is a root tip, and if you'll note, as it grows through the soil, it has a cloud, a mucus around it. This is sugar. Fertilizer is not plant food. Plant food is sugar. As cells slough off, as you see, they are consumed and inhabited by bacteria. The bacteria are part of the plant. They're in the plant, on the plant. They're supposed to be there. While you can't see them, the liquid around this plant root and these hairs is filled with nutrients. And the smaller animalia ingest debris and the bacteria. The bacteria capture water from the atmosphere. As the plant exhales, this liquid is filled with gases. The bacteria thrive in this media. They capture atmospheric carbon to make sugar. They capture water vapor for water. They like a liquid environment. This process reduces the need for supplemental irrigation.